हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हो आप लोग। आज अपने स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं क्लास 8 का नवनीत का जो सेमेस्टर 2 का असाइनमेंट था। असाइनमेंट आज जिसमें अपने बात करने वाले सोशल साइंस सब्जेक्ट में क्वेश्चंस 3A की। इसके पहले क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, 2 है, जिसमें सारे के सारे ऑप्शन बेस्ड है, मतलब वो सारे ऑलरेडी आपको गिवन है, राइट। तो उसके अपने डिस्कशन नहीं करेंगे, अपने डायरेक्टली स्टार्ट करेंगे क्वेश्चन 3A। एनी 8 आउट ऑफ 10 16 मार्क का है, 1 to 2 सेंटेंसेज आंसर्स। एंड वन मोर थिंग्स में भी, अगर आप चैनल पे पहली बार आए तो वीडियो को लाइक और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना। एंड मे भी अगर आपको ग्रेड 9 में ट्यूशन की रिक्वायरमेंट हो, अगर अहमदाबाद में हो ट्यूशन की रिक्वायरमेंट हो, तो आप हमें कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो। स्टार्ट करेंगे विदाउट टाइम वेस्टिंग। चैप्टर नंबर 5। वाई डिड ओल्ड एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशंस ऑफ इंडिया बिगन टू डिक्रीजेस एज द इम्पोर्टेंस वॉज given to English educated people in jobs, so India's old education institution began to decreases. Second questions, based on Wood's dispatch of 1854 AD, in which cities were a university established? In Kolkata, Mumbai and Madras. Name the Gandhiji's grassroots activities. तो ठक्कर बापा, जगत राम दवे, पूर्णिमा बेन पकवासा एक्सेट्रा। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 4। विच रिफॉर्मर्स ऑफ गुजरात स्टार्टेड द एजिटेशन अगेंस्ट द चाइल्ड मैरिज एंड सपोर्ट ऑफ विडो रीमैरिज? तो कौन था? नर्मद करसनदास मुलजी, महिपत राम, रूपराम, दलपत राम एक्सेट्रा they started the agitation against the child marriage and it support the widow remarriage. Okay, then next start करेंगे chapter number 6. When does the spirit of the national unity arise in peoples? So they are the one, their interests are one, and the spirit of national unity will not rise in them. Next question number 2. Which leaders were included among the moderate leaders? तो सुरेंद्रनाथ बैनर्जी, गोपाल कृष्ण गोखले, दादा भाई नौरोजी, फिरोज शाह मेहता, बदरुद्दीन तैयब जी। नेक्स्ट केटी तेलंगा, राइट, दिनसा वाचा एंड व्योमेश चंद्र बैनर्जी एक्सेट्रा, राइट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. इन द बॉर्डर एरियाज of the Hindu provinces, which fight was the undertaken and under the whose leadership was it fought? So a non-violent fight of no tax was fought under the leadership of 14-year Gandhi, जिसका नाम है अब्दुल गफ्फार खान। Question number 4. Which acts were the included in the Gandhi-Irvin Pact? So Gandhi-Irvin Pact included the key issue such as the freedom to make salt, peaceful picketing, and release of Satyagraha from jail. Next, chapter number 7. Which painter has made the excellent oil painting? What is the subject of this painting? So Raja Ravi Verma was the excellent oil painting of the Indian mythology and social issue. Question number 2. Who among the Mughal emperor promoted painting? तो बाबर, हुमायूं, अकबर, जहांगीर। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. इन विच आर्ट एग्जीबिशन डिड द रवि शंकर रावल प्रेजेंट वन ऑफ दिस पेंटिंग एंड विच प्राइज डिड द पेंटिंग विन? तो रवि शंकर रावल प्रेजेंटेड इज पेंटिंग द बिल्वा मंगल at the annual art exhibition of Bombay Art Society. His painting won the gold medal. Next question number 4. Which state of the painting at the Abindranath studied the Indian, Mughal, Tanjore, Chinese and the Japanese painting style in detail? Next question number, chapter number 8, question number 1. Due to whose effort which state were merged into the Indian Union and which were the exception? So with the effort the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and his secretary VP Menon, all the states except the Hyderabad, Junagadh and Kashmir were merged in the Indian Union. Question number 2. Why was the Maha-Gujarat movement started? So there was a strong demand for the formation of the state on the basis of Marathi and Gujarati language. So that's why. Next question number 3. In which field has the India developed and kept pace with the developed countries? तो इंडिया हैज डेवलप्ड अ लॉट in the field of science and technology and has kept the pace with the developed countries. Next, chapter number 12. Which main factor affected the localizations of industry? So, the availability of the raw materials, land, water, labor, power, capital, transport, etc. Next, which are the forest-based industry? So, paper industry, pharmaceutical industry, furniture and building industry, etc. When and where was the Tata Iron and the Steel Company established? So TISCO was started in 1907 AD in Sachi, जो नाव अभी जमशेदपुर के नाम से जाना, जिसको साची बोला जाता था, नियर द कॉन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ द सुरेंद्र क्या सुवर्ण रेखा एंड द खारकी रिवर इन द झारखंड. देखो ये दो रिवर जिसकी वजह से वहाँ पे टाटा ने अपनी क्या की आयरन स्टील एस्टेब्लाइज की. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. एज विच नेम डिड द अहमदाबाद गेट रिकॉग्नाइज? वाई वॉज इट गिवन द मैनचेस्टर ऑफ इंडिया? बिकॉज द cotton textile industry in Ahmedabad had developed on the very large scale, and like the thriving cotton textile industry of Manchester city of the Great Britain. Next, chapter number 19. What is meant by the pattern of the population distribution or the division of population? The manner in which the people are spread across the earth is called as the pattern of population distributions or population of divisions. Next, question number 2. Why does the man always prefer to live in the plain areas? The men always prefer to live in the plain areas because these areas are suitable for agriculture, industry and service activity. Question number 3. In which type of the climatic regions a man usually avoid to live? The extreme hot and the cold regions. Okay. Question number 4. How can the sex ratio be expressed by the formula? So sex ratio is equal to population of female upon population of male multiplied by 100. Next, chapter number 14. Which are the man-made disaster? तो आपको पता ही होगा, forest fire, riots, bomb blast, right? Disaster like a fire, riots, bomb blast, industrial accident, etc. Which are the unpredictable natural disaster? तो यहाँ पे लिख सकते हो आप earthquake, volcanic eruption, forest fire, etc. Question number 3. In which forest of our country have the incident of the fire been reported? So in the forest of the on the slopes of the Himalayas and the South India. Question number 4. At which places in Gujarat do the incidents of the landslide rarely occurs? So at the Saputara in the Dang districts, at the Idar in the Sabarkantha districts and the Ambaji Dantar in the Banaskantha district. Next, chapter number 17. For what type of the complaints in the justice given in our country? So two types of, first of civil matter and second is a criminal matter. Next, second question. Into how many parts of the jurisdictions of the High Court divided and which are they? The High Court divided into 3 parts. Original jurisdictions, dispute jurisdictions and administrative jurisdictions, right? Next, question number 3. Against the judgment of the which court cannot be appealed in the Supreme Court? The military court under the martial law cannot be appealed in the Supreme Court. Question number 4. What is the main objective of Lok Adalat? The major aim of the Lok Adalat is to avoid the delay and providing the justice and to reach to an amicable compromise which is acceptable to both the parties involved. Next, chapter number 18. To whom does the social inequality refers? The situation where there is the inequality in terms of enjoying the individual rights and access to opportunities. Question number 2. Which class of the society does most often become a victim of lineal Manchester, मतलब hereditary poverty? So the exploited and the deprived class of the society which does not have access to facility for development and no ability or capacity to resist. So against the injustice, most of the becomes victims of lineal poverty. Next question number 3. नेक्स्ट कौन सा था, व्हाट प्रोविजन, चैप्टर नंबर 18 का व्हाट प्रोविजंस इज मेड इन ऑर्डर टू इंक्रीज इज द लिटरेसी इन द डिप्राइव्ड एंड एक्सप्लोटेड क्लासेस ऑफ द सोसाइटी. इसका आंसर क्या आएगा, तो सम सीट्स आर केप्ट रिजर्व्ड फॉर देयर एडमिशन इनटू द एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशंस. नेक्स्ट चैप्टर नंबर 19, व्हाट एफर्ट हैज द गवर्नमेंट मेड फॉर द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ इंडस्ट्री. सो आंसर क्या आएगा, द गवर्नमेंट हैज एस्टेब्लिश्ड अ स्पेशल इंडस्ट्रियल जोन इन सम एरियाज फॉर द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ इंडस्ट्रीज. द गवर्नमेंट प्रोवाइड द ऑल नेसेसरी फैसिलिटीज एट रिस्पॉन्सिबल रेट्स and to start an industry in this area. Question number 2. What was the condition of the socially backward and the disadvantaged classes in the social system in India? तो फंडामेंटल ह्यूमन राइट्स वे आर नॉट गिवन टू द सोशली बैकवर्ड एंड डिसएडवांटेज, मतलब सबके लिए अलग नहीं है, सबके लिए सेम ही है फंडामेंटल राइट्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. वाई डज द गवर्नमेंट जनरेट द इनकम बाय द इम्पोजिंग द वेरियस टैक्सेस. तो आंसर क्या आएगा, द गवर्नमेंट हैज़ टू स्पेंड अ लॉट ऑफ मनी टू अपलिफ्ट द लिविंग स्टैंडर्ड्स ऑफ ऑल द सिटीजन्स ऑफ अ कंट्री एंड टू प्रोवाइड दैम with the basic amenities. The government generates income by the imposing the various taxes for collecting money for expenditure on this welfare scheme. Next chapter number 19 का question number 4. From which income does the government carry out the public welfare works? So through earn money from the income generated by levying various taxes on the peoples and the industrial organization, as well as by imposing the higher taxes on certain field. So यहाँ पे अपना क्वेश्चन 3 फिनिश होता है. मे भी अगर वीडियो पसंद है वीडियो को लाइक और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना. बाकी का स्टार्ट करेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.